Chiliz, the world's leading blockchain fintech provider for sports and entertainment. If you guys looking for a cryptocurrency for sports and entertainment, guys, here's your one. It is currently at 23 cents, guys. Ticker is CZH, market cap of $1.4 billion, and is currently ranked number 71 on the list. So if you guys want to trade or hodl this, guys know what markets you're on. For Chiliz, it's on Binance, Coinbase Exchange, UB Global, Gate.io, KuCoin, BitThumb, what else? FTX, Kraken, Bybit, and let me see, Polynex, Gate.io, FMFWIO. Haven't been on that one. But if you guys are on some other platforms, just drop a comment below. Tell me what your guys' experience is with this cryptocurrency. Leads to the price rating. They got a double B with stable outlook. If you guys want to learn more about how they get their ratings, just click on the profile. I will have a link below so you guys can read it yourselves. I do prefer cryptocurrencies that do have ratings over others. Well, let's move on to some of the news. So there is some news that is out for Chiliz, or this cryptocurrency came out about a month ago for CoinMarketCap. The news that I'm going to be talking about is off their Twitter page once I get there, guys. So back to their website. If you want to explore it more, please do. I would highly encourage you to read more about this cryptocurrency instead of just jumping right in. If you want more about their blockchain explorer, some of their news, their company information, a lot of their entertainment. Like, we go through the entertainment stuff right here. You guys can be able to actually see what's going on, like to the Hollywood and everywhere in between. So just check it out, what they're actually doing, okay? It's better to be knowledgeable about a cryptocurrency than just jump right in, okay? Let's see, let's go to their Medium page of medium.com. You guys check that out also for here. Now, here's your update I'm talking about, the Chiliz Chain 2.0. If you guys want to learn more about that, I will have a link below, but this is their biggest update. So if you guys are waiting for this update and stuff like that, here you guys go. You guys can read some of the things that came out, especially February 9th. So also, guys, follow me on Twitter, Andre J. McClendon. I talk about a lot of political stuff, trading, business, but let's get to that price prediction, guys. All right. So this price prediction is going to be really, let's see. I am posing a little bit lower, but it has to be based on a few requirements. So this cryptocurrency, Chiliz, has been obviously downtrending, and it's based off a lot of the, based off, like, you see this big, small amount, a lot of people take profits. That's what they're doing here. They're just taking profits, and I would say this. I don't like to fight trends. If I see a trend happening, I usually just go with that trend. And especially with this diagonal pull, this might pull back up a little bit higher, but might push back down. I'll give you an example of what I'm talking about. And we're on the weekly. Let's get the big view of it. Let's go to the daily, zoom in a little bit. See what I'm talking about. You can see that there has been a lot of orders. And let's see. Off the support zone. Give me a second. Here we go. So typically every time it's bounced in the zone, has done pretty good. Except for now. If you've noticed. Look, if you look, the first time it entered, bounced out really high, bounced off really high, bounced off really high, bounced off. Had like maybe 1 or 2 days here, bounced off really good from that point. And now we're back down to the same point, but we actually beat these lows. See, we went a little bit lower. Now, what's possibly happening is that these lows, that this diagonal, come on, thank you. This might not be able to hold very long. We did cross it, but what I would do is wait a little bit, because this diagonal may be coming through. We may cross it to see, we're going to another bull run off this point, because there has been a lot of orders right here. But I think the best thing to do is to wait it out a little bit, not just to jump on in this trend, just to see what happens. And that's the thing about me when it comes to trading. I'm very patient. I can wait things out. Long is not in a certain zone. If it's in a certain zone, I'll have to watch it. I don't want like something like this to happen. I want it to just keep going and beat this high. If it can beat this high, right here, then we can see that there's some more dominance, there's more buyers into the market, and we can go back to previous highs, go up to higher. But its current price, it might head down lower. So the best thing I'm going to do is just do a price alert. Price alert once it passes the 26-cent level. So once it passes 26 cents level, guys, that's where I would wait and do an entry. But before then, it might head back down lower, and this might be the pullback in this downtrend right here. Okay, and that's just being a very logical, I would say, protective way of thinking about it. You don't want to just keep jumping in to trades, and unless you're dollar cost averaging. I'm at dollar cost averaging. I'm seeing this from a trading standpoint. You know, if I'm just getting in right here, I want to get off this point here to go to higher highs, and if it does that, then we can see it bounce. So on a good probability, say like a good not probability, positive, like a good way of looking at it. If we see it like this, if it can break this high, then it possibly can go much higher. If it can't hold this, it's possibly going to go back lower and then make another new low to break this low right here. Let's see right here. Another possible high to break. Another possible high to break. Now these are just zones. They don't have to be perfect, guys. I'm just making them easy so we can be understood what I'm talking about. There's multiple points it needs to break to head to those big highs, the 50 cents level, 60 cents level, back to those extreme highs. And I don't think it's going to be done very easily. It might take a lot of time, a few months down the line. I mean, something like this has to go through and break through all that. But for this one right here, my first case scenario is going to be this. Just one, do a price alert. So if it breaks 26 cents, then I'll look at entering. If it heads down lower, guys, then I might look at doing a buy limit or a market entry down here, only if it builds some structure up like it did here, and then I can look at entering again. So my price prediction, guys, is going for 26 cents. It's basically 3 cents up, but 26 cents long is not a high wick, and there's some structure. Listen to what I'm saying. Structure. So there's consistent buying. There's not this little wick that shoots up, then shoots back down to head down to lower lows or back down lower. I don't want that. I want to get into the trend and get into that. I don't like to get into market sometimes. Something like here, I like to basically protect myself, my account. But that's my price prediction, guys. 26 cents. If it can break that, then market entry or buy stop, and then you're going to see to 30 cents. So basically 26 cents to 30 cents. And then from there might be some deflection, but based off of how many buyers are entering here, this might head off and go pretty much higher. If it can break to 26, then 30 cents level. So that's my price analysis, guys. If you have any questions or comments, guys, just let me know. I will update this video. If you want me to do more multiple updates, just let me know in comments below. But let's get to my website, guys. So if you guys want to learn more about cryptocurrencies or opening a trading account, just let me know. Or you guys can click the link is an affiliate link. I'm just letting you guys know for stocks, also cryptocurrency, and Forex account. So click on those to open up those accounts. If you guys check out my economy and stats, I have updated it. I've put in a lot of work when it comes to finding statistics for per country. There's a lot of updates still. Precious metals, commodities, economy, and global metrics. So if you guys listen for indicators, please try these out. And also when it comes to making a trading robot or EA, I'm updating this so you guys can, I'm not updating it. If you guys want one, we can have this conversation about how much it costs, how much time it takes, and how do you want to, how it wants to be developed. But that's the video, guys. I hope you like my analysis, my review over on Chiliz and Chiliz cryptocurrency. So just let me know in the comments below. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.